Let's see one way we can calculate a running total in Power BI. Here I'm using the City of Laredo's check register data, which you can find at the City of Laredo's Open Data portal, and I will add a link to that in the description below. Here is my data model, and I have it linked to a simple calendar table. Let's create a new measure. Let's call it running total. Now let's say calculate the sum of the amount column. And the filter will be all. This will be the fiscal month number that is less than or equal to the max fiscal month number. Let's bring in the fiscal month as the rows and our new measure in the values. Let's copy this and let's see it in a chart as well. And there is our running total for the fiscal year.